Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So first of all, I want to say Happy New Year to everybody. Happy 2022. Second of all, a lot of you guys have been asking me how I tune my car. So in this video, I'm just gonna tell you guys how the ProTuner gets delivered, how I get the tune from my tuner. I always wanted to tell you guys how I tune with this Accessport. First step first, my tuner sends me a new tune through my email. In my case, I'm tuned with PD Tuning. I'm showing you guys this now because this might be one of my last revisions before I hit E30. So I downloaded my tune, which is right here, and this is my Accessport manager. This is where I data log and put all my tunes on and put it back onto this, which is connected. Maps. And then you just pretty much drag this onto here, revision 7, and revision 7 is right here. So that means the tune is already on here now. Next process is super easy. First of all, you just gonna not turn it on, put it on espresso ones actually, and you're gonna wait for this to connect. So this is connected. We're just gonna go down to tune, and they're gonna change the ECU map. And then go down to version 7. I know there's a lot of words on there, but it says stock high pressure fuel pump, because you guys know at this point I had the no shrimp high pressure fuel pump, but I converted it back to the stock. Just honestly, guys, just make sure your battery is perfectly fine. Your battery is not about to die, because it could fuck up your car. It happened to me once. And now we're pretty much gonna turn this car on. Just like that. Well, the next thing what I do is I put it on sports so that it stays on the third gear. We're gonna do 3 third gear pulls. Take the traction control off. So yeah, you pretty much do on third gear 3k RPM to 6k RPM. That's what my tuner wants. It depends on every other tuner. So yeah, you find an abandoned street like this and you get to 3k RPM, and then you're gonna press this button so it starts data logging, and then you pretty much mash it pretty much like this. There you go. So my tuner requires 2 data logs, so I'm gonna do my third one so the data is more accurate and consistent. Press it one more time, and then mash it. Just like that, and yeah. Also, if you live close to Mexico, it's better to just drive to Mexico and do this, because you don't want to get a ticket, especially going over 100 miles per hour. But I don't advise all of this. I want to be done with school. I'm nearly done with school, but I want to stay motivated, and I also want to keep uploading more videos. I'm hoping to do 2 videos a week for the entire year. Let's see how long that lasts, because I do want to upload more consistently. And this is supposed to be my winter break from school, but I'm still busy. I had one of the busiest weekends this time. We had New Year's, last week we had Christmas, and with the family and everything. I tried catching up with videos. I want to be ahead of 2 videos, so that even if I'm busy at one point, I can always have a video to upload. And I've also been working a lot. Since I don't have school, I just picked up more hours. I do want to save up more money to buy a new project car. Not really a project car, it's probably gonna be like a spoiled gift for myself, but it's gonna be nice. You guys have to wait. It's gonna be nice. Something funny is that Freaking this balloon is getting Billy away. So yeah, it was my sister's birthday a couple days ago, so that's why we had busy, really busy days. And this guy is barking at it. Okay, so we're back. We have this connected back to the... Look how he's looking at me. Last time we went on maps, but this time we're gonna go on to data logs, and the latest one will be the highest number, and it'll be 46, 47. I usually just double check these, so I go over here. Once it's opened, I go on to engine RPM. Says I started at 3085. I like to double check these in case if it didn't record, if it didn't data log correctly, so that I can redo it. And it went down all the way down to 6300. That's my second one. Starts at 2800, goes all the way down to 63 like the last one. And on 63 there is about 19 psi boost. Peak boost, you guys might ask, is 24 psi. So the last tune I had was only peak boost was 23 psi, but this time it's 24. So yeah, just send the data logs attached to my email and send it back to my tuner. That's why I recommend not using these shitty tunes that are preloaded onto this Accessport. I'd rather have you guys get it pro-tuned, because you're actually working with a tuner, and the tuner will know what's wrong or what's good for your car. And I've heard these tunes on the Accessport that are preloaded do mess up your car. I know a lot of people that blew up their car already. Okay, so since this is over, I'm heading over to go watch the new Spider-Man movie. Pretty excited about that. Okay, so a couple of days have passed. I just got a new tune from Ryan. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys that process because you guys already know. I'm pretty much gonna repeat the same steps I did that I showed you. But I'm pretty sure this might be my last tune, or I might be done actually. Let me see. So I just got sent this version 8. But yeah, I think my tuning for 91 gas is about done. Might be doing E30 next.